actually, I was asked kung bagay daw ba si Sir Val, ano siya. So, for me, isa siyang golf club. So, yung golf club kasi yun yung ginagamit ng golfer, yung mahaba na iron na may club head sa dulo. So, it's used to bring the ball to a very far far goal. So, sa isang golf club set, 14 yung clubs nun. So, maraming klase, di ba? So, for me, siya yung putter. So, yung putter daw na club, ginagamit yun for short distance. And then, yung club head niya, yung characteristic ng club head niya, it has a very flat, low profile, and it has a very low, low striking pace. Low striking pace. So in my entire IT career, siya yung isa sa mga managers ko na talagang mabait, very low profile. So, never ko siyang nakitaan ng yabang or anything. And then, usually sa meeting namin, so even very intense or serious na yung topic, he can still lighten up the mood of everybody. And then, yung characteristic pa ng pattern kasi, it can actually bring you to out of depression. So, ganun siya. So, kahit marami ng problema sa taas, hindi kaya niya pa rin i-manage in such a way na hindi namin mafe-feel masyado yung pressure from upper management. So, which I think, maganda. So, siguro yun nga yung isa sa mga bagay na mamimiss namin. Sir Val, thank you sa mga advices and guidance mo. So, I'm sure you'll also be very successful with your new team. So, good luck, God bless, and Merry Christmas!